Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can rename a printer in Windows 11. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on search, and here you need to search for the control panel. Click on open, and then you need to click on large icons, and here is your print devices and printers. Click on that, and here you can see that a new window will pop up. Then you simply need to click on printer and scanners, and here you can see my printer. Click on that and click on printer properties, and here you can change name to anyone. So I'm going to change ABC printer for an example. Then you need to click on OK. Once you click on OK, your printer name will be changed. So this is a process by which you can rename a printer in Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.